Listen to me very well. I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to tell you the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Your uncle will disappoint you. Your friends will get busy. The government does not know your name. If you are still waiting for help, you are already behind. Let me tell you something painful. The world does not reward effort. It rewards results. You can be trying hard and still be broke. Hard work without direction is just suffering. If you are young and you are not learning a skill, you are playing with your future. School alone is not enough. Certificate without value is decoration. Your phone is not your enemy. Your phone is a tool. If you use it for TikTok and gossip, it will keep you poor. If you use it to learn, sell, and connect, it will change your life. Some of you want soft life, but you don't want hard work. You want money, but you don't want stress. You want success, but you don't want sacrifice. That is not how life works. Let me warn you, poverty is very wicked. Poverty does not respect age. It does not respect love. It does not respect effort. Once you are broke, people will talk to you anyhow. Stop shouting, "God will do it," when you refuse to move. God blesses movement, not excuses. Pray, yes, but work like prayer does not exist. If you are 20, 25, 30, and you are comfortable, be afraid. Comfort will destroy your destiny faster than failure. This is the age to grind, to fail, to learn, to build. Your mates are not lucky. They are just consistent. While you are sleeping, somebody is learning what will replace you. Nobody owes you anything. Not your parents, not your friends. Life is pay as you go. So ask yourself today, do you want sympathy or success? Do you want comfort or growth? Stand up. Learn something. Sell something. Improve yourself every single day. Because at the end of the day, excuses will not feed you, complaints will not save you, only results will respect you. This is your wake-up call.